Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're in Lidl's and I found some cheap bargains. Some of the tools or garden things are reduced, so I'm going to show you what I found. So let's take a look at these shelves. So first we have the Parkside 20 volt site radio. This was selling at $49.99, minus 40% is $29.99. That's quite a good deal. Last sold in January. We got this Parkside Sharpening Stone 2-in-1. This is reduced 75%, $6.99 down to £1.75. A car mat set, $1.49 from $3.99. And also Parkside grinder. This is a cable one, minus 75%, $19.99 down to £4.99. That's a real good price for an angle grinder. We've got the Parkside collapsible water butt, complete with tap. This is minus 62%, so it's from $9.99 down to £3.75. I must have one of these. I really don't know why, but it might be handy in the garden or at the allotment. Parkside plant protectors, 69% off, was $3.99, now £1.25. I'm sure there must be a use for some of these in the garden somewhere. Men's gilet from Parkside, different sizes, XL, small, medium, all available still. Was $12.99, now £9.99. I do like a gilet or two, but not in this hot weather. They're looking good. We've got a swing bench. This is reduced 25% from £79.99 to £59.99. A good gift for the garden, minus 25%. Then we've got these garden pots, garden accessories. We've got protection grids, and we've also got some bottle top sprayers. These are 99p or 3 for £2. So we've got some good old deals there. So I'm going to have a look in Aldi and see if they've got any garden deals. So let's take a look in Aldi. So in Aldi we've got the Ferex cordless joint cleaner, 20 volt, no battery included. Was £39.99, now it's £29.99, so £10 difference. Then we've got the Ferex cordless pole saw. These were selling at £34.99 and now they're £24.99. A hedge trimmer, a hide trimmer. We've got digital multimeters. These are $8.99, reduced to $6.99. And we've got some Ferex power tool accessories, some saws and some blades. These are $3.99 and now they're reduced to £2.99. We've got the Ferex 20 volt jigsaw. This was £29.99, now reduced to £19.99. No battery included. Then we've got some large plant collars. These are $1.99 and now 99p. Some paint rollers. We've got some sealant tape, $1.99, now 99p, and the Work Zone LED torch. Ferex inspection camera, $34.99, reduced to $29.99. And then we got the balcony set, table and 2 chairs. This was £99.99, now it's reduced to £79.99. Looking good, lots of those available. Next along we've got some plant pots. These were originally £5.99 and now reduced to £4.99. They're looking nice. Ceramic bird bath, I did want one of these, $7.99, they're reduced to £5.99. Drinking trough. We've got ripple planter, was $4.99, now $2.99, and also a spray mister. This was £7.99 and this is reduced to £5.99, £2 difference. We've got the glass table, very pretty design, that's £14.99. Now this is reduced to £9.99, decorative glass table. Ferrex multi-saw, it's £29.99, reduced to £19.99. And we've got some solar light globes, £5.99, reduced to £4.99. Mushroom birdhouses, these were £6.99, reduced to £4.99. And we've got some solar lights, halfway lights was £14.99, now reduced to £9.99. And last of all, we have the solar rock spotlights. These were £9.99 and reduced to £6.99. So let me know, what would you buy?